Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can activate Google Translate and translate from Arabic to English. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any browser on your PC, go to Google and search for Google Translate. Now you can text anything in Arabic over here and it will automatically detect that it is Arabic, or you can just click on this drop down menu and click on Arabic, which is over here. Then you can select the language as English, as we are going to translate it from Arabic to English. After that, you can listen to this text.
God bless you.
And you can also copy this text and use it for further things. If you want more videos like this, please do mention us on the comment section video that you want this type of video. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.